What's up, guys? I got today for my car some logo lights, that come in the door, and I'm gonna show you today how to replace that. Okay, so here are the lights. They're gonna be replaced, and here I have the new lights, and I'm gonna open them up. I'm gonna show you how to take this off and how to replace it. Okay, so all you need is a screwdriver, and you're gonna work your way from the top okay, and now you go here on the side and just pull. That comes off, not an issue. This one, I think it was broken or something. It was not really supposed to come apart like this, but it's not a big deal. You can put it back. Just like, just give me 1 second. Okay, it's back into place. Now we're gonna take the new one. Okay, the new one. We're just gonna connect this and put it back in here. That's it. And I'm gonna wait for the night to come. I'm gonna show you how it looks. Let's see what we got here. Oh boy, looking good, eh? Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or you need anything else done, and you want to know how to do it, just ask me. Have a good one.